Have you ever wondered why we call this a watch? It's such a simple word, but its history goes way deeper than just telling time. From ancient guards to modern gadgets, the word watch has had quite a journey. Let's win back time and explore how it all began. The word watch comes from the Old English word wuchi, which meant a wakefulness or keeping awake. It was related to the verb wation, meaning to be awake. Back then, watch referred to the act of staying awake, often for a purpose, like keeping guard at night. Medieval towns had people called watchmen who stayed up at night to protect the city, hence, night watch. As timekeeping became more important, especially at sea, the concept of dividing the day into watches began. Sailors worked in shifts, each called a watch. They needed a way to track these intervals, especially during the night. This led to the use of small portable clocks called watch clocks, marking the earliest connection between the word watch and timekeeping. In the 16th century, we start seeing the first true watches, portable timekeeping devices you could carry. These early watches were often worn as pendants. They weren't super accurate, but they were stylish and a status symbol. The word watch stuck, since it was already linked to the idea of monitoring time and to the night watches that inspired their use. Over the centuries, watches evolved. In 17s, pocket watches became fashionable and more accurate. Early 1900s, wristwatches gained popularity, especially during World War I. In 1969, quartz technology revolutionized timekeeping. Today, smartwatches track not just time, but health, messages, and even sleep. So, the next time you glance at your wrist, remember that what you're wearing started as a word for staying awake. From guarding castles to guiding your workouts, watch is more than just a name. It's a story of time itself. If you enjoyed this time travel into language, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can keep a watch on our next video.